Michael DeSanta's history with law enforcement is a complex interplay of evasion, manipulation, and calculated compliance. Before moving to Los Santos under the Witness Protection Program, he operated under the name Michael Townley, a professional bank robber with a long history of high-stakes crimes. Unlike Trevor, who thrives on chaos and openly confronts authority, Michael is defined by his ability to plan meticulously, cover his tracks, and anticipate the responses of law enforcement. This background is central to understanding why Michael's interactions with police and government agencies in GTA 5 are so layered. He is not reckless, he is strategic, always balancing risk and reward. When Michael enters the Witness Protection Program, it symbolizes both his desire to escape criminal consequences and his recognition of personal vulnerability. Rockstar uses this scenario to explore themes of accountability and the illusion of safety. While the program gives him wealth, a luxurious home, and anonymity, it cannot erase the psychological weight of his past crimes. This tension manifests in gameplay when Michael must navigate missions that risk exposing his identity or dragging him back into the criminal underworld. For example, when he participates in high-profile heists alongside Franklin and Trevor, he must constantly consider surveillance, police response, and collateral damage. These scenarios reinforce that Michael's relationship with law enforcement is not a static background detail. It actively informs his decision-making and emotional state throughout the game. Interestingly, Michael's approach to law enforcement is both practical and manipulative. He often relies on bribery, blackmail, and deception to avoid arrest, highlighting Rockstar's commentary on the flexibility of morality in Los Santos. In the Polito Score heist, for instance, his careful planning and use of armored trucks to escape police showcases not just his criminal skill, but his understanding of systemic weaknesses. Rockstar frames these moments so that players experience the tension firsthand. Sirens wail, roadblocks appear, and yet through strategy, Michael navigates the chaos with the precision of a man who knows both the rules and how to bend them. Michael's interactions with law enforcement also reveal his internal contradictions. On one hand, he exhibits guilt and a desire to live a quieter life, suggesting an awareness of justice. On the other, he repeatedly engages in extreme criminality when provoked or tempted, often rationalizing his actions as necessary for family security or personal satisfaction. This duality is central to his narrative. He is a man caught between compliance and rebellion, constantly negotiating the fine line between legitimate society and the criminal underworld. Rockstar uses missions, dialogue, and environmental storytelling to emphasize this push and pull, making Michael's engagement with the law a lens through which we understand his broader character arc. Another critical aspect is Michael's knowledge of the legal system as a tool for leverage. He exploits loopholes, manipulates witnesses, and sometimes even threatens law enforcement to achieve his ends. Unlike other characters in GTA 5, Michael is not motivated solely by chaos or revenge. His criminal acts are often premeditated, tactical, and designed to minimize legal repercussions. This distinction gives him a more sophisticated, cerebral edge over his counterparts,